All right, you guys. Now that the box is done, next step is to go ahead and start wiring the subs. This is the wire I'm using to go into the subs. Big Sky High audio, Sky High. Yeah, real deal, baby. Don't play around. See if you can focus that. See what I'm working with. Right there, baby. Sky High car audio, baby. That's what you're working with. 8 gauge all day, baby. Yeah. Let's go ahead and put some speakers in. Skar, baby. All right, you guys, this is it. It's speakers are in. Yeah, speakers are in. 1, 2, turn around on the other side, and there is 3, 4 Skar 12s SDRs wired down to a single ohm. Then what I did is to make sure it hooked up right. What you do, you take a wire. You hook it up to the take a battery to hook up to the positive and negative, and that'll tell you if it's right. They'll tell you got it hooked up right. So just take the positive hook on the positive, negative hook on the negative, and speakers will come out, and that'll tell you. And if they're all moving the same way, they should be moving out when you push that in there. That'll tell you got the polarities right. If they're moving inward, then your polarities are mixed up. That's a little tip for you guys. This is just what I do when I get out hooked up. All right. Next step now is to install these bad boys in the car and do the final installation and do some tuning. Oh my God, it is in there now. Yes, it is in there now. The subs is in there. Perfect fit too, man. Wow, it looks so good in here. Really can't see it because we need no lights. All right, look at that. Put a little bit of light on. Wow, the subs are in here. The 12s look real good in here. Yeah. Yes, they do. Wow, look at that. Woo-wee. A little bit of room to spare. We get it right. It's in there. Yeah. Now, let's do some tuning. Let's hook this up and see how this thing's gonna sound. All right, you guys. Finally got it all hooked in. Yeah, boy, it looks nice. Wow, we got it all hooked in. Got it all tuned up. Pretty much tuned up. Let's look at the box. Yeah, see the box is tight. It's really, really tight. Let me see if I can get some light here. Maybe that'll help a little bit. But the box is in there. I got the 12s, 2 12s on the sides here, and then on the sides there, the 12s. So yeah, it's looking real great. I'm not complaining. You know, I might do some minor tuning here and there just to see. It's really tight though. So I'll play around with it a little bit and adjustments and things like that. But yeah, like I said, it came out pretty good. I am pretty happy about my system. So that's it, y'all. The system is installed. The next video will probably be some demos. We'll go ahead and get some demo shots. But just to let you know, this is it, the process. Everything's been put in. Alright, so take care and we'll see you in the next video.